This video has 160,000 views and earned me $409. This video has 1.4 million views and it earned me 6 cents. How is this possible? So how much did YouTube pay me for 6 million views? In this video I will show you how much money I earned from 6 million views, and I will tell you why every video does not earn you the same money as you saw at the beginning of the video. So how is this video with 187,000 views earned me $240, and this video with $1.4 million earned me only 6 cents. Are you kidding me? The main reason that this video didn't make me any money is because that this video is a shorts video, and you can't make money with shorts videos. Really, you can't. As you can see, I mean, Susan is working on that, but as we speak, you still can't make money with YouTube Shorts. One day after shooting this video, YouTube announced the new monetization method for Shorts. You know, I talked with Susan. Shorts content creators now will receive 45% share of all Shorts revenue across the platform. Basically, Shorts creators now will be able to make some money. But now, look at this. This video has 187,000 views and earned me $240. But this video has 160,000 views and it earned me $400. Twice the money with less views. I mean, they are both long form videos, but there is half the difference. How did this video make that much money with less views? This is where the RPM ratio comes into play. By the way, these videos are from my other YouTube channel, and the other YouTube channel is in Turkish, so as you can see, the RPM rates are pretty low compared to an English channel, and I will talk about that later in the video. So this video has an RPM rate of $1.3. On the other hand, the other video's RPM rate is $2.55, and RPM shows you how much money you will make per 1,000 views. If this video gets 1,000 views, I will make $2.55 on average. Well, as you can see, this video's RPM rate is twice as much of this video's. That's why it earned me so much money for less views. But how can we increase that RPM? There are two things that you can do. Your first option is to share videos in English. What do you mean? I mean, not all of you watching me making videos in English. English might not be your native language, and you might be making videos in your native language. In my case, I make videos in Turkish. And for example, if your viewers are from Turkey, they will see Turkish ads when they enter your videos. But if your viewers are from countries like United States, Canada, United Kingdom, when they enter your video, they will see ads in English, and you will make more money from English viewers because the advertising rates on those countries are higher. And to get views from America, Canada, or United Kingdom, you obviously need to make videos in English. For example, let's say you have an English channel in finance. You have a channel like mine. The average RPM rate will be $15 to $20. So basically $15 for every 1,000 views. Let's take this video as an example. So this video earned me $400 for 160,000 views. But if that video was in English and I got views from America, I would probably make 160,000 views multiplied by 15, $2,400. So it's a $2,000 difference for a video. As you can see, there is a huge difference. Your second option is to change your content. Not every category on YouTube makes the same money. For example, a gaming and a financial video does not earn the same money. I told you that a finance channel might have an RPM rate from $15 to $20. A gaming channel won't have an RPM of $20. If I'm not mistaken, finance, real estate, those are the categories that you can make the most money. Well, my other channel is in Turkish, so the RPM rate is like trash. $1, but it is what it is. In short, the things that will affect your RPM is the country of your audience and the category of your videos. Your RPM rate can change from video to video, so there is not something specific to say here. So I can't say that you will make that much money for 100,000 views or 200,000 views or 1 million views. One of your videos can earn $15 per 1,000 views and the other one can earn $20 per 1,000 views. So that's a big difference if you calculate that you will make 100,000 views per video, $5 for each 1,000 views. Well, we came to that big moment. How much money did I earn in total for 6 million views? Total money that I earned from YouTube so far. So I choose lifetime from here. For 6.2 million views, I made $5,355. So as you can see, it's not that good. And the reason for that is, you already know that my channel is in Turkish. As you can see, we calculated this video only could make me $2,400. So $5,000 for 6 million views is pretty low. Let's calculate how much money I would have made if I had this channel in English. 6.2 million multiplied by 15. As you can see, I would have made $93,000. Not $5,000, but $93,000. That's a huge difference. By the way, the sponsorship incomes are not calculated in that $5,000. This $5,000 is just our revenue, Google AdSense money. So my advice to you is that if you know English at a certain level, start a channel in English. Of course, you can make a living with a channel on your native language. I'm not saying that you can't make money or you can't make a living from that. Of course you can. You can still make really good money with YouTube even on your native language and on your native currency, and you can do YouTube full time. But as you can see, there is a huge income gap. $5,000, $93,000. So think about that. But as you know, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to start making money on YouTube. So can we reach this threshold in 7 days? That's exactly what I'm testing in that video. I made a secret YouTube channel from scratch and tried to grow it in 7 days. So I guess I'll see you again in that video. Bye bye.